Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, EV enthusiasts. Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host. Today we're talking about a game changer in the electric vehicle world: tariffs on imported cars and auto parts. Now you might be thinking, tariffs? That sounds bad for EVs. And you're right, it is. President Trump's tariffs could indeed stall the growth of electric vehicles, setting back our efforts to combat climate change. But what if I told you that some models made in the United States might actually benefit from these tariffs? Let's dive into why. Electric vehicles have far fewer parts than their gasoline or diesel counterparts. In theory, it should be easier for car makers to source parts from the US, avoiding tariffs. That means Tesla Model Y owners and Volkswagen ID.4 enthusiasts might not see the same price hikes as everyone else. The Tesla Model Y, for instance, has only a handful of imported parts. Its battery pack is largely made in-house, with some components sourced from US suppliers. This limited reliance on imports makes it less vulnerable to tariffs. Meanwhile, cars like the Nissan Leaf or Chevrolet Bolt, which have more complex supply chains, might face significant price increases. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about all the other EVs? Well, the good news is that efforts are underway to create a domestic supply chain for electric vehicles. The Biden administration has provided loans and subsidies to battery factories and other projects, giving US car makers a competitive edge. Of course, there's no guarantee that these tariffs won't lead to parts shortages or price increases across the board. But one thing's for sure: vehicles with lower tariffs will gain a competitive advantage in the market. And that could be a win-win for consumers looking for affordable EV options. So, what does this mean for the future of electric vehicles? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear: we'll need to stay vigilant and adapt to changing regulations and market trends. That's all for today on Electro Drive News. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.